Transform your retirement journey with hidden income strategies. Hi, I'm Tarrah, and today I want to talk to you about something that affects everyone, no matter your age, your retirement. Whether you're just starting your career or are already thinking about the next chapter, understanding your finances is the first step toward a secure and fulfilling future. Many people think retirement is far away or that it's something to worry about later. But the truth is, the earlier you start, the more options you'll have, and the easier it will be to reach your goals. Financial education is the foundation of that planning. It's not just about saving money. It's about understanding your options, making informed decisions, and creating a plan that works for you. Here are 3 steps to help you start your retirement journey today. 1. Know your options. Learn about different accounts like 401ks, IRAs, and other retirement strategies. Understand the benefits and limitations of each. 2. Set goals and priorities. Think about what retirement looks like for you. Do you want to travel, start a business, or focus on family? Your goals guide your plan. 3. Educate yourself continuously. Financial education isn't a one-time thing. Stay curious, ask questions, and seek guidance from trusted experts. By learning how money works, you take control of your future. You can reduce stress, make smarter investment decisions, and create the retirement you dream of. Remember, it's not just about accumulating wealth. It's about building freedom and flexibility. So, take the first step today. Read a book, attend a seminar, or talk with a financial professional. Your future self will thank you for the effort you put in now. Retirement isn't something that just happens. It's something you plan for, and it all starts with financial education. Every journey begins with a single step. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. Your retirement journey is uniquely yours, and the best time to start is right now.